said a man dressed like a tree stepped out from the bushes. Wait a minute, I nearly forgot. Hello guys, welcome back to Orion Kids TV with another fantastic video. I was just reading a book and I stopped reading because I feel an urge to eat some chocolate. So today we are going to be making some chocolate bounty balls. Before starting anything, I really recommend you to call for a parent to help you do this. So let's look at the ingredients. You will be needing 2 full cups of desiccated coconut, 3/4 of condensed milk, some cashew nuts to garnish off your bounty balls, and lots of chocolate and a bowl to mix them all up. Let's get started. So first get your first cup of desiccated coconut and then pour it into the middle. Now add the second cup. Now your 3/4 of condensed milk. Now mix it with a fork. After mixing everything, use your clean hands and make a small bowl. Now I'm gonna ask my mother to help me melt all the chocolates. Our chocolate sauce is ready. Now time to take the bounty balls and dip them into chocolate sauce. Just finished doing the first one, so after you did the first one, so now you can do all the rest. Also, with all my ingredients, I got 10 bounty balls. Time to garnish. Now refrigerate for a few hours. I just finished making the bounty balls, so that means that it's time for the taste test. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again, bye and have a lovely day.